Okay, this is a quick tip. This is a quick tip. Soren says he likes quick tips. Let me show the quick tip. This is butane fuel. You buy it at the store. It's Euro 50. And to get right down to it, I got a circuit board. And I'm going to spray it. Now, this circuit board, it has a problem. You connect the battery, and then it goes dead by itself, right? So this is one of those problems where, it's almost impossible to find out what's going on without a thermal camera or other options. So, like I say, this is the butane fuel, and I'm going to use it to cool the board down. Now I got the windows open because it's flammable, right? Look at that. Look at how nice it cooled it off. Now I heard he bought. I heard you bought pipe spray, right? Well, pipe spray at the home improvement center is 7 euros. And what can I say? It's more expensive. So I got it nice and cooled off. I'm gonna hit it once more. And I still got some left in the can here. And the thing about that pipe spray, it doesn't work as well. So, what can I say? Now I'm going to connect it. Okay, I don't really see anything. This maybe, not sure. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. Okay, I'm looking to see if anything turns black. And the only thing I really see is on this end. Now this port had a water damage. And it works fine. I changed out the TriStar. Okay, I don't really see much. Maybe that? Yeah, I don't really see much. No. No, I got the microscope on it, but I didn't see anything. So I'm gonna continue here, but I just wanted to show the quick tip, and hopefully that's helpful.